is a really, really interesting car. 1966 Ford Cortina Mark I GT. Lots and lots of interest. Is it going to stay in Norfolk? Could it be bought by someone in the room? Is it going to get bought by someone on the telephone or on the internet? We will see. So, over to you, David.
Thank you very much, guys. Right, there we go, 586 there.
1966 Ford Cortina GT Mark I. Upgraded for time trials, this one. It's got the twin 40 Weber carbs. You've seen it. What a great bit of fun that would be for time trials. Where are we going to start this? We've got a bit of interest online. We've got telephone bid on this one. And I've got to go straight in. Bid at 7,000. I'm bid there now, then at 7,000. At 7,000, I'm bid there now, then at 7,000 bid. At 7,2. At 7,2, not with you now. I'm 7,2. 7,5. At 7,5. 7,6. 7,7. At 7,7. At 7,7. 8,000. At 8,000 pound bid. At 8,1. At 8,1. At 8,001. 8,2. At 8,3. At 8,3. 8,500. 8,6. Not with you. 8,6 in the room. At 8,6. At 8,006. 8,7. 9,000. 9,1. 10. 10,000 bid. 10,1. 10-2, 10-3, 10-4, 10-5, 10-6, 10-7, 10-8, 10-9, 11,000, 11-1, 11-2, 11-3, 11-4, 11-5, 11-6, 11-7, 11-8, 11-9, 12,000, 12-1, 12-2, 12-3, 12-4, 12-5, 12-6, 12-7, 12-8, 12-9, 13,000, 13-1, 13-2, 13-3, 13-4, 13-5, 13-6, 13-7, 13-8, 13-9, 14,000, 14-1, 14-2, 14-3, 14-4, 14-5, 14-6, 14-7, 14-8, 14-9, 15,000, 15-1, 15-2, 15-3, 15-4, 15-5, 15-6, 15-7, 15-8, 15-9, 16,000, 16-1, 16-2, 16-3, 16-4. Anyone would think you guys want this at 16-4, 16-5, 16-6, 16-7, 16-8, 16-9, 17,000, 17-1, 17-2, 17-3, 17-4, 17-5, 17-6, 17-7, 17-8, 17-9, 18,000, 18-1, 18-2, 18-3, 18-4, 18-5, 18-6, 18-7, 18-8, 18-9, 19,000, 19-1, 19-2, 19-3, 19-4. No? At 19,400. At 19,400 pound, I'm bid there then at 19,400. At 19,400 pound, I'm bid there now then at 19,400. No, 19,500. 19,600. At 19,600. How can you value this to the nearest hundred? At 19,600, 19,700, 19,800, 19,900, 20,000. 20,001. 20,002. At 20,002, thank you anyway, sir. At 20,200 pound, I'm bid here in the room. At 20,200 is going once. 20,200 pound, it is now going twice. My gavel's up at 20,200 for the last and final time. That's yours, sir. Congratulations. I would say enjoy, but I know you will. You need a cup of tea now.